Hi guys, it's a West from Trendy Starter. Today I'm gonna show you how to merge two videos. So let's get started. Type here video editor, add a new project, type the project name, click on OK, add, click on add, click on place in storybox, adjust it, here you can see our video is merged, export it, select the quality and click on export. Now go to files and check the video is merged. Thank you for watching.